BQ is back, baby, and you better hang on to your hats, because this is a Pennsylvania Rarities Roundup for November 2018. Hit the music! Break it down! We are live here in southeastern Pennsylvania, where we're looking for 3 target birds in one day. Cattle Egret, Black-throated Gray Warbler, and Hudsonian Godwit. All 3 birds are rarities to Pennsylvania and would be state birds for my list. Stop number 1 of the day brings us to the town of Atglen, Pennsylvania, here at Moccasin Run Golf Course. But we don't want this. We want this. See that white dot way out there? That right there is my 257th Chester County bird, Cattle Egret.
You have to picture one of the 2.
Oh. Cattle Egret with some sheep. Hey. Yeah, what's he eating there? All right, here with Mr. Lancaster County, Zach Millen. Any thoughts on this Cattle Egret for you?
Angelic. Nice county bird.
Great county bird. So I wouldn't call Cattle Egret a mega rarity by any means, because they do breed in Delaware and New Jersey, but they are very hard to find in Pennsylvania. In fact, this is my first ever that I've seen in Pennsylvania. Digiscoping dogs. With a couple of dogs right here. So not only is this Cattle Egret my 257th Chester County bird, but this is my 287th Pennsylvania bird. Pretty amazing stuff. Stop number 2 is landing me here in Knoll Dorwart Park in Lancaster County to look for the Black-throated Gray Warbler. A warbler of the western United States, the Black-throated Gray Warbler is undoubtedly the rarest of the 3 target species of the day. And Black-throated Gray Warbler is an exceptional species for Lancaster County, let alone the entire state of Pennsylvania, let alone the entire East Coast. But if anyone remembers, back in April, I was very fortunate enough to see one in Maryland. Golden Crown Kinglet, checking out the unusual bearded man standing right below it. Nearly arrived at the spot here in the park. Pretty amazing how many folks have stopped me here on the trail to tell me about the warbler. It seems like the community that uses this park is very engaged and excited about this bird. Brown creeper. Nice. About an hour into being here, no bird yet. No luck with the warbler yet, but it is pretty incredible when you're quiet and walking through the woods and really taking in all of nature, what you can find. Let me show you what I mean. Whoa. Great horned owl. Two and a half hours in, no warbler still. Getting to be a race against time now as the sun is setting earlier, now that we're in daylight savings time. Great looks at a hermit thrush, our only wintering thrush species here in Pennsylvania. 4 hours in, the sun is nearly set, the temperature is dropping, but I just got the bird. That's right, Black-throated Gray Warbler, staring right into my soul. Us birders spend countless hours in the fields looking at birds to learn about them and enjoy them. Some birds, when you don't find them, really break your heart, and I thought this one was going to. But after putting in hours of work, I was handsomely rewarded for my efforts. And I think that's a great metaphor for birding in general, a hobby or a lifestyle for some, that the more hours you put into it, the more you are rewarded by all the great things that you can find when you're birding. So stoked I got to see the warbler. Want to send a special thank you to Zach Millen for all of his great intel, and to Mike Hartshorn for placing this stick right here so I knew where to turn to go find the bird. So due to the forecasted darkness, I'm unfortunately not going to be able to chase target bird number 3, the Hudsonian Godwit, which I'm not going to deem as a miss because I cannot miss what I have not chased. So that's 2 state birds that I picked up from my Pennsylvania list today, meaning that now I have an all-time Pennsylvania total of 288 species. Hey, 300, I'm hot on your tail. I hope you're ready. All I can say is, what a bird, what a day, what a fall migration, and what a sunset. Until next time, stay fresh and peace out, y'all.